Welcome to this short install video brought to you by the friendly folks at Pfister. Replace the extension stem onto the cartridge and tighten the screw with the Phillips screwdriver. Thread the adapter nut back onto the valve and use your pliers to grip the edge of the nut and tighten. Temporarily place the handle onto the cartridge and rotate it clockwise to the off position. Then, turn on the water supply to check for leaks. If no leaks are detected, turn the water supply off and remove the handle from the cartridge. For showers featuring secure fit, place the flange back onto the wall. The Pfister logo should be positioned at the top. Then, screw on the on-off handle until tight. For showers featuring quick trim, reinstall the flange, then thread on the retainer sleeve to secure the flange. Reinstall the extension stem onto the cartridge and tighten the screw with the Phillips screwdriver. Now, place the on-off handle onto the cartridge stem and tighten the set screw. Reapply sealant or caulking around the outside of the flange if desired. Great job! Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, visit our website at pfister.com or give us a call at 1-800-FAUCET.